Yo, man, guys, Charlie Boss Leo with the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem Charlie. What's up? Good morning, Charlie. Welcome to a beautiful Saturday morning again. I'm very far from home, Charlie. Have you know every weekend the man for chill. That's why they always tell you, man, guys, say work hard, make money, and enjoy life. Me, I dey enjoy my life, enjoy life. Charlie, today we can talk about how to make some good, beautiful, nice looking girl wey dey your area inside. Wey you yourself you dey like the girl, wey the girl too you go do wey the girl too go like you. Yes. So the lives or how you go live your life for your area around the girl for where the girl dey to look more attractive, more better, so the girl itself no go fall in love with you before you go even go closer to the girl. You dey bab. So Charlie, make we talk about am. Of late I dey always tell man guys, you see, chasing of girls, you people think say taking money, chasing the girl, buying this for the girl, what approaching girls, that go let girls go love you. No, me I dey always believe in investing in yourself. I dey always believe in making yourself a better person. I dey always believe in improving yourself, making yourself better. You dey understand? Everybody dey like better things. Everybody dey love wonderful things. Girls dey like wonderful things. They dey like better things. So why you no go do yourself wonderful? Why you no go do yourself better for the girl to love you? If me then you dey area wey or you be some girl sef wey you be my crush, how me I go live my life around you sef? I no go talk to you sef. You wan make me I talk to you. You dey bab. That be the lives, that be the trails I dey want make you man guys, make you learn, make you know what's up, how to attract a girl without even talking to her. Charlie, always try to look good, always try to smell good. As I dey always tell guys, hygiene be one beautiful thing wey Charlie you see, to make the girl love you, no be say you go dey always dull yourself around the girl. Always be lively, make the girl enjoy you, make the girl be very happy being with you. Always be a good listener to her. I mean, make her safe around you. Always let life be sweeter for the two of you. Have a life. Don't always depend on the girl. Don't always be following the girl like Charlie, some Obatun police and things. Have a life. You dey see that thing. Build a trust between you and the girl. I mean, Charlie, good hygiene. Always look good, smell good, dress well, wear some good food. I mean, always buy better stuff. Invest in yourself. Be confident around her. Yo, Charlie, confidence around her. Don't dull yourself. Always let her be happy around you. Have a hobby. I mean, have a hobby. Go out. If you be basketball you dey like, go out, go play your basketball. You see, always live your life. Always live your life. Invest in yourself. Be happy. Be as wonderful as you yourself you want to be. And all the good looking and the beautiful sexy girls around you will always like you. Girls always love good things. Girls always love wonderful guys. Just invest in yourself more. Be good, be wonderful, be good looking. Go to gym, build some muscles, get some six packs. E no be necessary to go kill yourself but I mean your stomach lose some a bit. Build some muscles, make your chest build a bit. Buy some good chains, do yourself good. Be nice, be good, smell good, hygiene. You dey baff. Some guys no dey like the baff, they no dey look well. How girl go like you? You dey baff that thing. Wey if the girl like you finish her, always be a good friend, and a wonderful person for the girl to be with. Who say girls no like better things? Or who say women no like better things? They always love wonderful things. So make yourself wonderful. Be wonderful around here. Be wonderful at wherever you are. And you know, you go they chase the girls. The girls themselves go kind of chase you. Always be confident. I mean, you yourself be confident in yourself. You see, where I dey always talk that, you see, confidence, it comes from what you do for yourself. After you put yourself finish, after you know say you dey look well, after you know how you dey look, you know your value. You go be very confident around the girl. With the girl itself, if you see, you go know say, yeah, this be some confidence guy around me. Always I dey talk to you, man, guys. Build yourself. Have a hobby. Have a passion. If you be canoe, you dey like the way me I dey like river and sea like this. That's why I dey talk to yourself. Me I dey closer to the sea. From pool to the sea, I dey go bath the sea. From the sea to the pool. That be my life. That be what me too I love doing. You dey bath. Have a hobby. Have things that make you happy. I mean, always enjoy your life. Always look good. Be a wonderful person. And whenever the girl come closer to you, be a good listener. Listen to her. Give her a good ear. Always be a wonderful person she will love to be with. And always give her confidence when she is with you. Make her feel safe when she is with you. You dey bab, you know say e dey with you, then some your girl be go kind of give her warning, then somebody dey chase her. No, she go run away. Always make her look, I mean, super around you. Make she have that confidence for you, say so far as she dey with you, nothing go fit happen to her. That be how they win a girl's heart. You dey bab, always try find ways and means to always let her love you the more. Me, if you come closer to me, we are not say I dey like automatic, I dey make you my friend. But I know be say I go make you my friend and they chase you, then they come your house. No. I go give you that freedom, that lines, and say at any time you go fit come to me, at any time you go fit be around me, and you are safe, you are happy to be with. I go give her that freedom, that enjoyment. If you always take very good care about your hygiene, or you always consider your hygiene and also your looks, go to the gym, build a little bit muscle, some small six packs. No be necessary say you go kill yourself for small six packs. No, you see, what I dey wan talk, or what I dey wan mean, or be say you for always try to look good. Try to look good and dey in a wonderful shape. You go see say the girl itself, as you dey pass, you dey go here and there, you dey mind your own business, you no dey talk to am sef. You go see the girl sef dey eye, hey, Charlie, which guy be this guy? Every time he dey look nice, he dey look, Charlie. Girls too, Charlie, then they always eye us. We dey eye them alone. You dey bab. So that be the thing I want make you, man, guys, you dey do. Always invest in yourself. Buy some good things. Look good. Look good. Where also, if the girl come closer to you, the girl where you dey eye, where if the girl come closer to you, where you want make the girl love you, put some trust between you and the girl. Let's make the girl get some trust for you. Let's make the girl feel some confidence in you. Say, this man guy, he dey like this, Charlie, she go always dey close to you. Also, have a life. I dey always tell guys, running after girls here and there will not bring you anything good. But having a life, going to work, coming back, Charlie, have a life. Go to gym. Have things going on in your life. You go see say the girl itself, e dey there, e dey crush on you. The girl itself, Charlie, them to them, they know good things. Them to them know better things. With them too, then they always want better things. Be the bab. So if you make yourself better, Charlie, she go dey always run after you.